The X15 chopping axe is built to fell trees quickly and efficiently. Its perfected balance and power-to-weight ratio boost swing speed, delivering deeper cuts with every strike. The shock-absorbing fiber comp handle is lighter than steel but stronger, reducing hand strain and preventing damage from overstrikes. Designed for all users, the X15 combines advanced blade geometry and an ultra-sharp edge to maximize performance. According to user reviews, even those of smaller stature find it easy to control and effective for tough tasks like breaking roots. If you want faster chopping with less effort, the X15 is worth a look.